Today, I come with something bigger, something better, something sustainable, and something new. What's up, everyone, and welcome back to this YouTube channel. If this is your first time watching the video on this channel, I want to say a big welcome to you. In this channel, I post videos like this on how to make money online. And if you're a returning viewer, I want to say a big thank you for always watching the video. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you an app I came across, and from this app you can earn unlimited money every single day just on your smartphone. One thing I want you to do is to pay attention to the end of this video. This app is presently working in Nigeria and you can withdraw directly to your Nigeria bank account. So in this video, I'm going to share a code with you. With this code, you can claim 500 naira and up to 20,000 naira absolutely for free to begin on this app. So I want you to pay full attention as I'll be dropping the alphabets or the digits in the code one after the other. So having said that, let me show you the things you need to understand about this app, right from how to register, how to play games, how to claim the 500 or 20,000 naira bonus, and how to withdraw directly to your local bank account. The first thing you want to know is on how to register an account. So tap on the link in the description. You're going to see a button below. It is written more. Just tap on it and you get the registration link. So now you're going to continue with downloading the app. You have to download first, and on this page you're going to register an account. So now once you tap on register, you're going to put in your mobile number. I advise you put in either your WhatsApp number or your normal number, but more preferably put in your WhatsApp number because most times the code is sent to your WhatsApp. So once you complete your registration, this is what you get. You're logged in into your account. So now the next thing you want to understand is everything about this app. So now I'm going to log into my account once again, and then we're going to continue with everything you need to know. So if you're logging into your account, you simply have to tap on login, and this is my account. As you can see, I have about 1019 coins available on my account. You can see from the top of the screen. So permit me to reduce the volume of this. So now this is my account, and now we have different games you can actually select from, ranging from what to Dragon Tiger to Double to Baccarat to every single thing on this page. You can actually play any of these games. Now this is what I want you to know. I know most of you will ask questions like, what if I do not know how to play a game? It is very easy. Let's say for Dragon Tiger, you're going to tap on the game you are interested in playing, and once it connects, you are going to see a page. Okay, let's wait on the screen for a few seconds. This strictly depends on your network. So now my network is perfectly okay. So this is Dragon Tiger, and on this page you can see what people are playing. They can actually start their bets now. People will start betting on what they want. Now if you do not understand how to play a game, if you do not know how the game works, this is what you're going to tap on, this option at the top left of the screen. So immediately you tap on it, you're going to tap on app. On this page you're going to see how to play each game. So you can do this for every game on this application right here. But if you want to exit, tap on the option and tap on exit. So now I always love to play this double. I'm going to go for double. This depends on what you know how to play. Advise you go through each one to understand how it works. So I'm going to tap on double and I'm going to play double. So for this double, you just have to select if red is going to come up or if it's black. Let's go for red. So you just tap on red. Now I've successfully placed my bet, and you can select the amount you want to bet with below the screen. So I just did for 10 naira, which is 10 coins. So I selected red, and as you can see, red, I just earned extra 9 naira to the 10 naira. It's as easy as this. Let's assume I used 500 naira and I went for red. I could have earned over 400 naira, close to 500 naira. So this is basically how it works. It's very easy to make money right here on this app, but this is an app this is the game I love to play most because it is the game I understand most. So now let's exit this. You can go for every single game right here. You can go for everything. So if we go for fruits, we're going to play fruits. As you can see, my money just increased. They added it almost immediately. So the amount of money you can earn on this app is not actually based on anyone or anything. It's actually based on you, the amount of time you put in, and how willing you are to play this game, how willing you are to understand how it works. You can earn unlimited money every single day online, and that is why I'm dropping this code. I'm already dropping it on the screen, and at the end of this video, I'm going to drop everything in full. With this code, you are going to get 5,000. Sorry, you are going to get between 500 naira to 20,000 naira to actually start with. You need something to start with playing this game. So now, once you have up to this, let's say once you start playing, as you can see, this person won over 3,000 now from Dragon Tiger. People love Dragon Tiger a lot. So this is what you have to do. As you can see here under this page and at the top of this page, this is where your balance displays. So if you want to top up your account, you tap on your balance, and as you can see, recharge. So there are different options available for you to recharge. You have 1,000, you have 5,000, 10,000 gold, 100,000 gold, 300,000 gold, and 500,000 gold. So you can actually go for any one of them, and I think this is really amazing because you have 1,000 gold. But here's what I want you to understand: if you recharge 5,000 gold, you are going to get an extra 150 gold. As you can see from here, if you recharge 10,000 gold, you are going to get an extra 300 gold. And as you can see from the page, if you recharge 500,000 gold, you are going to get 20,000 gold. So if you tap on recharge, you'll be taken to your Chrome. Let's tap on recharge, and you'll be taken to your browser if you use Opera Mini, Firefox, or any of your browsers. So now from here, you'll be given an account number to transfer the money to. So you're going to copy the account number and make sure it is the right account, and you can only use this account details once. Please take note of that, and once you're done, it is going to be added to your account automatically. So now that is on how to recharge your account. If you want to recharge your account, the next thing is on how to withdraw. I know what most of you want to hear is, but how do I withdraw my money? I've been playing game, I want to withdraw directly to my bank account. How do I do that? So now to withdraw, all you have to tap on is withdraw under the screen, as you can see beside activity. So if you tap on withdraw, a page will be displayed telling you to fill in your information. So now as you can see on this page, you can actually withdraw your money, the money you win from playing games. You are told to select your bank. There are different banks available here, and it is not only one bank or maybe your normal. You even have OPay, you have every other bank here. So you select your bank, you put in your account number, and you put in your account name. Then you select the amount you want to withdraw. It is so simple. There's nothing complex about this. It is very straightforward. Now, let me tell you how to apply the code I talked about at the beginning of this video. So now to apply the code, you simply have to come here and tap on this lucky code. It is at the top of the screen here. Tap on lucky code, and you're going to type in this code showing on the screen. So now if you type in this code showing on the screen, let me show you. You're going to get between 500 naira or 20,000 naira to actually get started with. Once you apply the code, you're going to get between 500 naira to 20,000 naira to actually begin with, like I said. And the next thing I want you to understand is how to get your referral link, because most of you want to refer your friends, you want to refer your families, because once you get an app like this, you always want to tell people about it. So now to get your referral link, all you have to do is to head over to your account here. Now on this dashboard, you're going to tap on agents. This is agents right here. So once you tap on agents, you're going to see my referral. This is my referral. Tap on my referral. From this place, you can actually copy your referral link. You can get your referral code, which is your referral ID. So once you tap on copy, start sharing it with every single person you want to refer. I hope you find this video helpful, and I hope you make a reasonable amount of money right here on this application. I do not want you to play with this. For you to register an account, click on the link in the description box now. So you register an account, apply this code showing on the screen to get between 500 naira to 20,000 naira to actually begin your journey. And I really wish you enjoyed this video. If you do and you haven't clicked on that subscribe button, do that now, and I hope to see you in my next video. I want to say a big thank you for watching, and do have a nice day.